Okay, so for my disposition ratings, for honor, I gave myself a 4. For spirit of harmony and collaboration, a 4. Reflective learner, a 4. And then for professional and positive perseverance, a 3. For honor, I gave myself a 4 because some of the characteristics were commitment and professionalism. Those two I definitely do demonstrate. Whenever I commit to something, I always make sure I finish it, fall through all the way to the end, whether it's something I end up disliking, liking. Also professionalism, always in the workplace or in the educational setting, dress appropriately or professionally, and making sure I abide by the dress code, and I respect and view all individuals equally. For the spirit of harmony and collaboration, I would say I gave myself a 4 because I do contribute not only to my learning but to others' learning, whether that be peers in courses here at Point Loma or in my clinical practice with my students. I want to ensure that they are able to take or contribute to their learning, and that they're able to take their learning or benefit from their learning, and ensuring that I'm one of those people that they can count on to do that. Reflective learner. I know what are my strengths and weaknesses, what areas need improvement or could be better are. I'm always open to constructive criticism, feedback. I truly believe that it makes you a better person, not only personally but professionally. There's always room to grow, no matter what. Even if you're already good at something, you can always be better. And that's something I truly believe in, and that I like to reflect when it comes to my work or personal life. And for professional and positive perseverance, I gave myself a 3 because in that area I do think I can definitely keep growing from. Although I'm not in my own classroom, I am in a clinical practice, and I do have a passion for teaching. I want the students to really benefit from their learning, take advantage of their learning, actually grow as learners, be the best that they can be. I still need room to grow, as I've never been in the classroom, not even subbing, so I know this is one area where there's plenty of room to grow, plenty of room to get better. Thank you.